It's me, Tiny Traveler Tanya. I love traveling in car. We have traveled most states of India by road. We have also driven our car in Nepal. Alto, Figo, City, Quid, Bolero, and the latest, it's not a car, it's a Thar. Jai Jagannath. Here is one more video of mine. Hey friends, guess where I went on my latest adventure? To the beautiful Alibag Sea Beach in Maharashtra. It was such an amazing trip and I can't wait to share it with you all. खुला रे। हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आप जानते हैं मैं अपनी नई एडवेंचर पर कहाँ गई थी? महाराष्ट्र के खूबसूरत अलीबाग समुद्र तट पर। ये एक शानदार यात्रा। टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ अलीबाग बीच देखिए और आनंद लीजिए। As soon as I arrived, I could hear the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, and it made me feel so excited. Frozen Part 2. Frozen Part 2 কিন্তু দুইটা ঘোড়া থাকে। फ्रोजन थोड़ा ही दूर था और सफर खुद भी बहुत मजेदार था। We drove through some pretty scenic roads with lots of greenery all around. टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ अलीबाग बीच देखिए और आनंद लीजिए। When I reached the beach, the first thing I did was take off my shoes and feel the soft golden sand under my feet. It was so warm and comforting. The beach was so clean and wide, with plenty of space to run around and play. I even collected some beautiful seashells as souvenirs. And you know what? The water was perfect for a dip. I jumped into the cool waves and it felt so refreshing. I splashed around and even tried to build a sand castle, but the waves kept washing it away. It was so funny. और गेस करो मैंने अलीबाग बीच पर और क्या डिस्कवर किया? बीच के किनारे से थोड़ा दूर एक शानदार हिस्टोरिक जगह है जिसका नाम है कोलाबा फोर्ट। आप इसे बीच से देख सकते हैं और ये बिल्कुल एक पायरेट एडवेंचर मूवी की तरह लगता है। फोर्ट तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको लो टाइड का इंतजार करना पड़ता है, जब पानी कम हो जाता है और तब आप रेत के रास्ते से चल सकते हैं, या अगर टाइड ज्यादा है तो छोटी बोट राइड ले सकते हैं। टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ कोलाबा फोर्ट देखिए और आनंद लीजिए। मैंने कोलाबा फोर्ट तक पहुंचने के लिए एक घोड़े गाड़ी की राइड ली। ये राइड बहुत ही अच्छी थी और गाड़ी पानी में भी गई। ये अनुभव सच में जबरदस्त था। कुछ लोग चलकर जाने को पसंद करते हैं और ये बहुत ही कूल लगता है, जैसे एक सीक्रेट मिशन पर जा रहे हो, पुरानी खजाने को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। कोलाबा फोर्ट के अंदर ये बहुत ही पुराना मंदिर है। Once I reached the fort, I was amazed by how big and strong it looked. It was built hundreds of years ago by the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ji to protect the coast from invaders. The walls are made of strong stone, and inside there are ancient temples, cannons, and even a freshwater well. It felt like I was stepping back in time. I took a moment to offer my prayers and soak in the peaceful vibes. Even though the fort is surrounded by the sea and the strong walls, the temple felt like a place of calm and hope, where people could find strength and guidance. From the top of the fort, I could see the entire Alibag beach and the endless blue sea stretching out into the horizon. The view was breathtaking. I could imagine how the soldiers used to stand here, watching over the coast and protecting their land. It was such a powerful and inspiring place to visit. टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ अलीबाग बीच देखिए। After exploring the fort, I headed back to the beach with the setting sun casting a golden glow over everything. टाइनी ट्रैवलर तानिया के साथ अलीबाग बीच देखिए और आनंद लीजिए। If you ever visit Alibag beach, don't forget to check out Kolaba Fort. It's a place full of history and mystery.
किशोर ये स्मिता ने बोला दिखाने आपको, इसलिए बोल दिया मैंने। ये देखो ये दोनों का
So, when you explore Kolaba Fort, make sure to visit this beautiful temple. It's a quiet and sacred spot that adds a whole new layer of meaning to your journey through the fort's rich history. The temple is small but full of charm, with a peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. Inside, I saw a beautiful idol of Lord Ganesha, who is loved by everyone for bringing good luck and removing obstacles.
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଚଲେଇବା କିନ୍ତୁ ସମୁଦ୍ର କୂଳ ଭିତରେ ପଶେଇବାର ନାହିଁ।
There's something even more special inside Kolaba Fort that I just have to share with you. The ancient Siddhi Vinayak temple. As I explored the fort, I saw this beautiful little temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha, and it felt like a hidden gem within the fort's strong walls.
That's how you feel at the beginning. Haisha. Oh my. Logan agora.
Today we have come to another beach near Alibag. This is Kihim Beach. And this is Kihim Beach Family Restaurant. My grandparents have come with us today. The waves are completely calm and nice. And there's a white little dog going across. This is Kehim Beach. I see a fort there. Oh, I see another one. और दोस्तों, after an amazing day at Alibag Beach and exploring the historic Kolaba Fort, our adventure didn't stop there. The next day, we decided to visit another beautiful beach nearby called Thal Beach, just a short drive from Alibag. Oh, wow! Oh, oh,
कितने सॉफ्ट है देख
so cool!
कितने नरम है ना
हाँ, बनेले हेबो हाँ कुआ
पानी तळू बाहेर की बाहेर
हैं
देखो देखो
हाँ ओ
देखो फुल बाहर के पानी के उल्टा आछे पानी तो सिगरेट पानी बाहर चले आवे
हाँ जोना पड़ेला
देखिलो कि
हाँ
सेपटू सेपी बाहर के
हाँ हाँ देखा जाउछे एठी भी बाहर जे
सबुडे बाहर नाले एपटू पानी के लोटा आवे पूरा पूरी पानी बाहर चे पड़ गयो
Thal Beach is a bit quieter and less crowded than Alibag Beach, making it the perfect spot for a peaceful day by the sea. As soon as we arrived, I noticed how serene and calm it was. The beach was lined with tall coconut trees, swaying in the breeze, and the sound of the gentle waves made it feel like a hidden paradise. Super soft. The sand at Thal Beach is soft and golden, just like at Alibag. But the vibe here is more laid back and relaxed. It felt like we had the whole beach to ourselves. We spread out our picnic blanket and I spent some time just lying on the sand, feeling the warmth of the sun and listening to the soothing sound of the waves. मैं पानी के खिलाफ ज्यादा देर तक रुक नहीं पाई। मैं जल्दी से समुंदर के किनारे पर गई और ठंडे साफ पानी में कूद गई। यहाँ के लहरें बहुत ही नरम थी, जो थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी में खेलने और मजा करने के लिए परफेक्ट थी। One of the things I loved most about Thal Beach was how untouched and natural it felt. हाँ सत स्पाइरल शेल जो था ना यूनिकॉर्न हॉर्न पर का एडिकेट है एठी रेड कलर। After enjoying the beach, we took a leisurely walk along the shore, collecting seashells and watching the crabs scurry along the sand. The beach seemed to go on forever, with beautiful views of the ocean on one side and the lush greenery on the other. Thal Beach was the perfect way to end our coastal adventure. A place where we could just relax, enjoy nature, and soak in the beauty of the sea without any distraction. I know, right? I could turn that into a tree. Oh, it's so soft. So, if you're in Alibag, make sure to take a little trip to Thal Beach. It's the perfect escape for a quiet, peaceful day by the sea, away from the crowds. Trust me, it's a hidden gem you won't want to miss. how you can reach Alibag Beach by road. From Mumbai, Alibag is about 95 kilometers from Mumbai. You can drive to Alibag via the Mumbai-Goa Highway NH66. The drive takes around 2 to 3 hours depending on traffic.
ଏଇଟା ପଥରଟା ଅଛି ପଥରଟା ଖସ୍ତା ପଥରଟା ଅଛି ଗୋଡ଼ ଖସଲା ବେଳେ ସ୍ଲିପ୍ କରି ଯାଉଛି ଏଇଟା ପାଣି ହେଲା ପରେ ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁନି ଗୋଡ଼ ଖସିଲା
ପିଟିଏଲା
ଗୋଡ଼ ଖସିଗଲା ସେମିତି ପୁରା
ଦେଖ ଏଇଠି ବି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ହେଲେ ମୋ ଗୋଡ଼ ଖସିଥାନ୍ତା ଏଠି ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ପାଣିଟା ପଳେଇଲା ପରେ ଫେରିଚାଲା
By bus, there are several state transport and private buses that run from Mumbai to Alibag. The bus journey usually takes around 3 to 4 hours.
ଏଇଠି ରଖ ବୁଡ଼ା ଏଇଠି ପୁରା ଅଛି ଖାଲି ପୁରା ପଥର
देखो देखा जाଉଛି
ହଁ
ଏଠି ପୁରା ପଥର ଜାଗାରେ
ଏଇଠି
ରାସ୍ତା ଚାଲ 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 ପାଗ
By ferry from Gateway of India, Mumbai,
thank you,
one of the most popular ways to reach Alibag is by taking a ferry from the Gateway of India to Mandwa Jetty. The ferry ride takes about an hour. By train, nearest railway station. The nearest railway station
देखिए,
to
गोड़ कोसे वो
Alibag is Penn Station, which is around 30 kilometers away. However, it is more convenient to take a train to Panvel station and then drive or take a bus from there. Panvel is well connected to Mumbai and other major cities. By air, the nearest airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai. From the airport, you can hire a cab or take a bus to Alibag. The drive from the airport to Alibag takes about 3 to 4 hours.
ये कौन है ना
Today we came to another sea beach near Alibag. This is Thal Beach. Tiny traveler तानिया के साथ थल बीच देखिए और आनंद लीजिए. The waves and rocks while they crash look so relaxing. It's an amazing sight to see. Local transportation, auto rickshaws and taxis. Once in Alibag, you can easily find auto rickshaws or taxis to take you to Alibag Beach and other nearby attractions. The water is crashing up to almost where I am standing sometimes. Rent a scooter or car. You can also rent a scooter or car for more flexibility to explore Alibag and its surroundings at your own pace. Alibag Beach is well connected and easy to reach, making it a perfect weekend gateway from Mumbai and nearby cities. If you're planning a trip to Alibag, here's how you can make the most of it in just 2 to 3 days. Day 1, arrival and Alibag Beach. Morning, arrive in Alibag and head straight to Alibag Beach. Enjoy the sun, sand and refreshing dip in the sea. Afternoon, savor some delicious seafood at a beachside shack. Evening, visit Kolaba Fort during low tide. Explore the fort, visit the Siddhivinayak temple inside and catch the sunset. Day 2, Thal Beach and local attractions. Morning, start your day at the serene Thal Beach for a peaceful stroll and some beach fun. Afternoon, head back to town for lunch and maybe a bit of shopping. Evening, visit the Karmarkar Museum in Sasavane for some amazing art and history. Day 3, more beaches or off-beach spots. Morning, visit Nagao Beach for water sports or trek to the Kankeshwar temple for stunning views. Evening, relax at Akshi or Kihin Beach and enjoy the sunset. planning it.
Accommodation.
Book your stay in advance, especially during peak season. Getting around, rent a scooter or car for the best experience. Best time to visit, November to February, is ideal for a pleasant trip. With this plan, you will experience the best of Alibag, from its beautiful beaches to historic forts and hidden gems. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने इन जगहों को मेरे साथ एक्सप्लोर करने का मजा लिया और अपनी अगले ट्रिप के लिए कुछ अच्छी आइडियाज मिली. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling and keep traveling with Tiny Traveler Tanya. See you soon. Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.